What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic, what we're going to be doing is let me set you up. I got some parts. They are for the LEDs. I have the ones for the interior, and I want to say these guys are for the license plate lights. So I got these, and I think these are my reverse lights. Yes. So I got my reverse lights, my license plate lights, and my dome lights. Also, what else I got is a new dipstick tube, just because my old one, it was all corroded, so I just decided to buy a new one of those. I got an OEM filter, and I got the little O-ring that goes for this. So basically how the new dipstick goes on is, if you look right at this hole, you just keep on going down. You really can't see it on camera, but it basically just sits in there, and then we just put the dipstick on. So I'm gonna get that installed, and then we'll get to the reverse lights, interior lights, and license plate lights. Alright, so it was pretty simple. And there's a clip down here. I had to rebend mine just to make it fit, but it's in there now. I can take the dipstick out. So now we move on to the interior to get the dome light, and then we're gonna do the reverse lights, and then we're gonna do the license plate lights. Alright, so I got the reverse light. As you can tell, that's the old one, and that's the new one. You really can't, you can tell. That's the new one, and that's the old one. It's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is, you see the two screws right there? You take those out, and then basically you just put the new LEDs in and everything. So that's it for this little episode. The only thing that does suck was I got the interior light. I got the wrong one. It's a 194 bulb. So I gotta contact the company and get a new one. So hopefully you guys like this little video, and they look really good. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.